Discover how to create your own labels in Odoo in just a few minutes. Meet the updated Odoo Label Builder, which comes in two parts now, Start Edition and Professional Edition. In this video, learn about the features of the full professional version. New great updates have landed to the Odoo Label Builder. Here they are. Improved user interface. New ready-to-use label templates. Address labels with vCard QR codes. New barcode types, data matrix and PDF 417. New label section. Group. New label section. HTML. Label export-import tool via XML files. Direct printing through Odoo IoT Box and third-party apps. Individual user settings. Zoom to fit. And highlight preview options. Label backgrounds. New label sections. The special section type is introduced in the updated Label Builder. This type includes special values such as current date, product attribute, multiple prices, partner vCard. These sections use special custom logic to process section value and label design. Another new type of section is the group section. This section can combine several nested subsections with the text or model field types as a single value. And the last new type is the HTML section. With this section, it's possible to use multi-relation fields to get a list of values and format them using HTML. New barcode types. Meet new barcode types, data matrix, and PDF 417. These barcodes complement the label sections and expand your options for creating the labels you need. Label creating. With the Builder, designing labels becomes a simple and quick process. Let's create a new label with this design. On the Print Wizard, click the New Label button. Fill in specifications of the new label. Specify the label width and height. Choose Custom Paper Format. Finally, click to Create Template. To add sections, click on the Sections List button and then click New. Model Field section. The first label section is the product name. Select the model field as the section type and choose the product in the field option. The next step is specifying the field that should be used to retrieve the value of the current section. In this case, it is the name. Modify the text-related settings as font size, section padding, and the others. Let's highlight new features for this kind of sections. Firstly, you can select a custom font from this list. The selected font can be previewed with the PDF preview. The next features are on the Value Processing tab. Using the capitalize and uppercase options, the final value is transformed accordingly. Product Attributes section. Label section with the special type Product Attributes contain information about available attribute values, alongside with the highlighted value related to the current product. To add this section, select the Product Attributes section type and activate the Attribute Values widget. Then choose a required attribute or a few ones in the Allowed Attributes field, and add the attribute name if it's necessary. Group section. When you need a value combined from several fields, use a new section with the group type. After selecting this type, add subsections on the new Group tab. Also, specify a separator between values according to your requirements. Applying new type of barcodes complements the group sections. Select the barcode widget and use the data matrix or PDF 417 barcode type according to your needs. HTML section. Another new section type introduced in the Label Builder update is HTML sections for relational fields. Let's use product tags and place their list to the next section. Specify your source object, the product in this case, and then the relation field. The relation can be single or multiple. Use the HTML widget to activate new setting tabs, Widget and List. On the Widget tab, with the native Odoo HTML editor, work on your section design. Use the object-related syntax to insert dynamic values from the relation objects, product tags in this case. Decorate our tag list with the star icon. The List tab is intended to manage lists. You can specify the list limit. Use only a single item by an index. Or restrict the list by a domain. To clean list settings and restore default values, click the Clean button. Price section. The section with the product price follows. Use the price type for this section. Change the currency position if it's required, as well the following settings: text styling, paddings, and a background color. A new option that helps to make price more readable is the number localization on the Value Processing tab. Activate it to format numbers to local standards, which are determined by the current user's language or the language of the section. Also, let's add the discounted price in the section below. Apply the line-through decoration for the regular price. Multiple price section. One more section type that operates with product prices is the special type multiple prices. It's intended to show your wholesale prices based on the product quantity. Apply the limit on the List tab for the displayed prices if it's required, and set a desired sorting order using the Order option. Let's add the final section. Label background. Now let's make a unique design with the entire label background. Go to the Label template, and on the Design tab, upload an image to use as this label background. Apply additional background setting if it's required, and the label template is ready. Print Wizard. The Label Builder includes the own alternative print wizard that simplifies the label printing. Let's review its possibilities. Firstly, go to the General Settings menu, section Custom Labels. Let's enable the alternative print wizard instead of the standard one when you click on the Print Labels button. Then you need to specify a demo product, price lists, and other records which are used for label previewing. After entering your data, click Save to apply the settings. Using this wizard, you can choose your label template. Preview it by activating the Template Preview option. Since the Template Preview displays labels in their indicative view only, use the PDF Preview to see the real result. Specify price lists for the regular and promo prices on your labels. When you select them, the product prices are recalculated. With the additional extension, Account Product Labels, that is provided for free when you have got the Label Builder app, you can operate with the tax settings. Watch our Custom Product Labels video to find out more about other settings of the Print Wizard. The link is in the description. Label Templates. The Label Builder Professional Edition comes with 9 ready-made editable label templates. 7 of them are product label templates, and 2 are label templates for partners. You can access the list of templates in 2 ways: through the Print Wizard by clicking Actions and Label Templates. The alternative way, in the developer mode, with the Settings, Technical, Reporting, Label Templates menu. Templates can be modified or cloned. For editing, select one from the list and click Edit Label. Cloning is available as from the Form view, and from the List view as well. With this list, you can also change the template order and deactivate templates to hide them in the Print Wizard. Label Types. To simplify label management, templates can be marked with types now. The default type is the product. The extra type is the partner. More label types are added with additional label modules that allows you to print and create labels for other Odoo objects and documents, not for products or partners only. To learn more about label extensions, watch the Odoo Product Label Extensions video. Link is in description. Using label types makes it easier to manage label templates and allows you to filter templates in the Print Wizard. Export and import labels. The new feature, Export to XML, allows you to transfer a label template between different Odoo databases or make a backup copy. Using it, you can save your label template to an XML file with the export action. To restore templates from the XML file, click the Import button. Upload your XML file and import it. This feature is implemented using an additional module, which is provided free to Label Builder Professional Edition customers. User Settings. For users, you can configure the following label settings. Go to a user form and open the Preferences tab. In the Custom Labels section, you can set the default label template and select a list of allowed for the user labels. Please note that the allowed labels restriction is not applied for system administrators. The default template is automatically pre-selected in the Print Wizard. Advanced tweaks. You can improve the Label Builder UI and label quality with the following system settings. To increase the barcode quality, change the barcode multiplier system parameter and set a new value, 2 or 3. It increases the barcode image resolution on your labels and multiply it by the corresponding value. Please note that too high a value may affect system performance. To change visibility of the template list in the print wizard, set the required value in the Show Label Template Limit System parameter. By default, if you have up to 7 active label templates, they are displayed as radio buttons to simplify selection. With a bigger number of active templates, they are selected from the drop-down list. Change this parameter according to your needs. Create your own Odoo labels just in a few minutes with a powerful and intuitive tool. Manage and print them easily.